Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on my Odeon PM handbag. I've had this bag for almost a year, so I thought it would be a good time to do a review on this bag. I only own two Louis Vuitton handbags, and this one is definitely my most favorite purchase from that brand. The first bag I had was the is the Sienna PM, which I don't really grab for that bag as much. It was my first purchase, but this one I definitely find myself using quite a bit. It's a really nice carefree bag, and I am a crossbody girl for sure. The majority of my handbags are crossbody bags. I just like to be able to throw it on and go and to be hands-free. But just to give you a review, I've had this one for 1 year. I really like the print of this bag with the black contrast. It just makes the bag easy to pair with almost any outfit, and you can see there the black triangles at the very bottom. But there is no wear and tear on this bag, and I do not baby my bags. I mean, I wear them and don't baby them at all, so there is no wear and tear on the bag. The strap is very nice and lays on the body very well. It's not stiff. You can see there it's very flexible and soft, so I really enjoy that. I have the PM size. This bag comes in both PM and MM, but I am a minimalist, so I don't really need to carry very many items on a daily basis. I do like that there is a luggage tag here on the front, and it does have the little LV logo there. There is a front pocket that I usually keep my phone in for easy access. That's one reason why I chose this. I like to have a slip pocket, an outer slip pocket on my handbags just for easy access with the phone or mask. And right now I just have an ink pen in here, but I would normally have my phone in there. And this tag is actually removable, so if you want to dress it up with a different tag, but I just usually just leave what is how it came. I enjoy that. It has the two zippers here. There's no tarnishing on the zippers. I like that you can open it, either close it all the way on one side or just have them meet in the middle. So I do like that feature with the two zippers. And then this is an idea of pretty much what all can fit into the bag. There is one slip pocket. You may not be able to see it because the interior is black, but there is one slip pocket on the inside. Right now I just have a card case, a pack of Kleenexes, a business card holder, my pill container, and this little pouch. This is supposed to be an alternative to the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. There is a company that Dress Up Your Purse, where she creates handbag accessories, and so I thought this was really cute. And definitely at a much lower price point than the mini pochette. I believe this little pouch was about $89, but it's super cute, and you can use it as a catch-all or a tiny wristlet, but that fits in there. And then I have a compact mirror, and so that's all that I have in there. I have this on the third slot, and I stand 5'7", so just to give you an idea of where it falls on me. Let's see. So I am 5'7", and on the third slot is kind of right below, right at my hip here, which is where I like to carry my bags. I have a long torso, and another great thing with the strap being removable, you can kind of play with these bags, which I really like. I like when I can remove my strap and replace it with a different strap. So this strap here, or chain, is one that came with my Coach Cassie 19. So if I do want to convert it to a shoulder bag, I can. And The metals are a little bit different. I believe this one, the Coach one, is brass, and then this is some type of plating on the Louis Vuitton. But if I make it, let me see if I can just raise this up a tiny bit here. Just go back. So this is how it will look as a shoulder strap. I think that's a cute alternative way to wear the bag. But just wanted to give my review of this purchase. I definitely have enjoyed carrying this bag. It's probably one of the most used bags in my collection. So it's carefree. I live on the coast and it rains. You know, it could be sunny one minute and then raining the next. I don't have to worry about the bag getting wet or anything like that. It is the coated canvas. So it's just a really nice and fun bag. And just wanted to share my review with you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, I ask that you hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed.